think it's terminal, this terminal I'm waiting in. Could use a change of scene, it seems I've been repeating it. Another day, another plane, another same thing. Yesterday became tomorrow, that's a strange thing. Another string, another strum, another rhyme, another hum. I wanna breathe in, I wanna breathe in and out again. I'm tired of putting one foot in front of the other, and I'm weary of where it leads me to. I'm tired of moving on from my father. Make me rest my head and take a breath or two. Simply stated, simple-minded love for you has simply been completely complicated. And I'm finding this daily drudgery is finally catching up to me. It's time for this abandon to make much of you and less of me.